Around 8,450 packages of Ocean Beauty Seafood LLC's Parmesan-crusted wild Alaskan salmon fillets distributed to Publix supermarkets are the subject of the fish was sold under the Publix brand and could contain undeclared soy because of mislabeling. According to an FDA, the recall was initiated after a consumer found teriyaki-sauced salmon inside a Parmesan-crusted salmon. The investigation by the co-packer company that subsequently took place revealed that a machine operator must have grabbed the Parmesan-crusted salmon retail box instead of the Ocean Beauty Seafood says they believe only 300 of the teriyaki salmon were mispackaged. Related, the 7 healthiest foods to eat right now. No illnesses have been reported, but if someone with a soy allergy consumes the product, it would cause a serious or life-threatening illness. The Parmesan-crusted wild Alaskan salmon box is affected by the recall are black with white chalk drawings, weigh 12 ounces, had a UPC code of 41,415,302,457, and a best before/use by date of 02/11/22. They were sent to Publix warehouses in Florida and Georgia from September 18, 2020, 2020. Publix then sold them at its stores in the Southeast. Consumers that find any affected product as described in this recall notice are asked to either dispose of the product or return the product to the point of purchase for a refund. Then this isn't the only recall to note before your next grocery store trip. Here are 8 food recalls you need to know, and to get the latest food safety news delivered right to your email inbox every day, sign up for our newsletter.